Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel ePathya Lectures. So in this particular session, we will be discussing about GK questions which is helpful for SSC CGL, SSC CHSL and various type of bankings and all other competitive exams. So in this session, we will be discussing some of the static questions which have been asked in the previous question papers for the past few years in all the various types of competitive exams. So which is the biggest continent in the world? So we know that totally there are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. So among them, Asia is said to be the biggest continent in the world and Australia is said to be the smallest continent. So I have written the continents in an ordered format from the continent which is largest in area to smallest. So you can memorize these orders. And also remember the fact that Australia is the only continent which has only one country with the name of the continent called, and the name of the country is also called as Australia. And we the people of India, we are residing in India in the world's biggest continent called Asia. So which is the longest river in the world? So river Nile is said to be the longest river in the world which covers 4,132 miles. And the second largest river in the world is river Amazon which covers 4,000 miles, and the third longest river is Yangtze river which covers 3,915 miles. So can you tell which is the longest river in India? The longest river in India is river Indus. So this is the longest river in India and it over 3,000 kilometers long. So the Indus, it is said to be the longest river in India. This river Indus, it originates in Tibet from a lake called Manasarovar before flowing through the regions of Ladakh and Punjab, and it joins the Arabian Sea at Pakistan's Karachi port. So this is the picture of a river Nile which is the longest river in the world. Which is the largest ocean in the world? So the Pacific Ocean is said to be the largest and the deepest of world ocean basins, and this covers approximately 63 million square miles, and it contains more than half of the free water on the earth. The Pacific is by far the largest of the world's ocean basins. So Pacific Ocean, it lies between the continents of Asia and Australia on the west and North America and South America on the east. So Pacific Ocean, it is also surrounded by Antarctic region in the south and Arctic region in the north. So which bank is called as Bankers Bank of India? The Central Bank or the Reserve Bank of India is said to be called as Bankers Bank of India. Which is the largest animal in the world? So the Antarctic blue whale. Blue whale is said to be the biggest animal on the planet. So this weighs about 4 lakh pounds. So 4 lakh pounds means it is approximately equal to 33 elephants, and it is about 98 feet in length. So which is the largest animal on land? So I have said that the blue whale, it is the biggest animal in the world, but whereas on the land, this elephant, the African elephant, is said to be the biggest animal on the land. Which is the largest island in the world? So Greenland is said to be the largest island of the world, and next to Greenland, the second largest island in the world is New Guinea, and the third largest is Borneo, and the fourth largest is Madagascar, and the fifth largest island is Baffin. So the area of the Greenland is about 21,66,086 square kilometer. Which is the largest flower in the world? Rafflesia. Rafflesia arnoldi. It is also called as Rafflesia arnoldi, or we can just call it as Rafflesia. So this flower, Rafflesia, it is said to be the world's largest flower, and this is the flower with the world's largest bloom. So this is a very rare flower. You can see the picture of this flower. This is a very rare flower, and it is found in the rainforest of Indonesia, and it can grow to be about 3 feet, and it can weigh about, and its weight is about 15 pounds. It is said to be a parasitic plant, and it has no visible leaves, roots or stems. So we can't see the roots or the stems of this flower, and this is a parasitic plant. So remember, the world's largest bloom, that is the world's largest flower, is Rafflesia arnoldi, which can be simply called as Rafflesia. Which is the 29th state of India? So Telangana is said to be the 29th state of India. Which state has the longest coastline in India? So Gujarat is the state which has the largest mainland coastline in India. The entire length of India's coastline is 7,516.6 kilometers, and the Arabian Sea, it spreads most of the coastline in Gujarat. You can see the picture here. The Arabian Sea is here, which spreads most of the coastline in Gujarat. So the length of the Gujarat coastline is 1214.7 kilometer, and this covers about 23% of the total coastline. And Gujarat has 41 ports, and this is one of the major ports of Gujarat is Kandla port, and it has 11 intermediate ports and 29 minor ports. Which continent is known as dark continent? Africa is said to be the dark continent. So this most of the part of the Africa, it is located in tropical region, and it receives a lot of sunshine and daylight. And this Africa, it is the only continent which passes through equator, Tropic of Cancer, and as well as Tropic of Capricorn. So that is the reason. So which receives lot of sunshine and daylight. Since Africa is located in tropical region, Africa is called as a dark continent. Which is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. So Vatican City, it is the smallest country in the world, which measures just 0.2 square miles. So this is almost 120 times smaller than the island of Manhattan. So Vatican City, it is situated on the western bank of Tiber River, and Vatican City's 2-mile border, it is landlocked by Italy. So, which is the largest desert in the world? The two largest deserts on the earth are in polar areas. First one is Antarctic Polar Desert, which covers the continent of Antarctica, and it has a size of about 5.5 million square miles. And the second largest desert is Arctic Polar Desert, and the rest of Earth's desert, which is outside the polar areas. So this two are polar desert, and the first largest is Antarctic Polar Desert and the second largest is Arctic Polar Desert. So Earth's desert, it does not include polar desert, and therefore Sahara Desert is said to be the largest desert in the world. So this is some of the GK questions we have learnt in this session. So in the upcoming sessions, let's learn more interesting topics and more interesting questions in GK. Thank you.